What's going on YouTube? So tonight we're gonna ride our Arma Vortex inside in my room because it's so rainy outside. So it's your RC car can be enjoyable even if it is inside your room. Excitement to this even if inside my room. See how calm this car is. Very smooth. See? Good. How nice this car is. And then I changed to Proline Badland tires, which is nice. This is not so big because last time I put my 1/8 scale tires that is so big, but still it runs very good. But now I gonna make just only a couple of inch wider and bigger for the original. So here's the original tire. You'll see. You can see the original tire is smaller, but not so a lot bigger for my new tire. But my new tire is wider, and then we have the wide 17 hex adapter, which is so good. I changed my previous adapter that is very wide for the big one, and now I get it's like only a perfect size tire and a perfect adapter. So you can see that it's so good. It's so nice to see, very elegant, and it's beautiful. You will notice it when you first hand this one. It's like I have a Traxxas Max, I think so. It is similar to Traxxas Max, but this one it handles very good. I have a lot of I enjoy this a lot because especially when going in the real world, you can use this one hand and then taking videos in your other hand, because the Traxxas controller is very big. You cannot reach, like me as an Asian, cannot reach my thumb in the steering wheel. This one you can use only one hand, and then see, you can drive it. See, and it's so enjoyable. You will see, and then the color, and then I put a little bit taller shock, so now it's a little bit taller. It goes like a turbo truck, but just a bit of monster truck. You will see. You can see that this truck is so nice to see. You'll see this. It's catching eyes if you ride this with lots of people here, because it's like elegant to see. The stance is perfect. Look, very durable, but especially it's like same as the stunt truck. You will enjoy this. What's the purpose? Is to enjoy. So that comes with this truck. So even if it is in my room, I enjoy it. While outside is raining, so I still enjoy here inside my room. See? Vortex 3 SBLX 4x4 110 scale trigger. I like this one. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.